Man, I ain't catch y'all boys black in 3 videos straight. Y'all thought it was over? Hey, look, gonna drop a like for my dog Jimmy Mom spray y'all down, man. Hey. Hey, man, if y'all boys want y'all a badged out, maxed out account, go hit up in the comments. But look, man, we about to come out here and go crazy, y'all. Durag, Tonio. Hey, look, Durag, Tonio a different breed. I ain't even gonna lie. Look, y'all boys peep the sub count. We hit 250,000 subscribers. Bro, I love y'all so much. Y'all is going crazy, man. Look, bro. Also, if y'all boys want this jump shot, bro, we gotta get 10K likes. Like, I've been greening every shot. Hey, look, I'm trying to tell you. Y'all gonna want this jump shot. I was greening pretty much every single shot. Hey, look, make sure y'all boys go follow my Twitch, man. We was going crazy on Twitch these past couple of days, man. We almost at 4K followers. Go on and give me to that. I'm probably gonna be streaming tonight too, so y'all go stay tuned for that. Also follow my IG and my Twitter, man. We is almost at 20K on IG, bro. Giveaway real soon. If y'all boys want some PSN codes, Xbox codes, go follow that. Also on Twitter, I drop random codes on there all the time, man. So my bangs, I get so shut it up. Let's drop. Hey. Good D. Let's go. Let's drop. Hey. I love my finesse. Crazy. I'm right fast. Oh. He gonna leave me open again? They must not know this the OG slasher playmaker now. This man got an 83. Come on now. They must not know, y'all. They must not know. They really must not know. Come on now. I'm serious. Yeah, you better not do it. Oh, we gone. I'm gonna die that to my boy. Let's drop. Hey. I'm about to get this takeover though. Y'all, they really be leaving me open like I can't shoot, bruh. They really be disrespecting the kid. Come on. Big rose, my wrist blunt. Alright, let's go. Let me just green this with again. Let's drop. Hey, y'all want this jump shot? Give me this. Hey, just get the light go. Just get the light go. 6 for 6, bruh. Come on, man. Let's drop. Hey, bro, this shot really go crazy, bro. I made this on my Twitch stream. If you was following my Twitch, you already know what shot it is. Good shot, boy. Oh my, that's yo. Come here, man. Let's go, man. Oh my. Oh. Come on, man. Yo, why I'm talking like that kind of sound gay? Pause. Come on, man. Hit the shot, dog. Oh, we gone. Hey. Nah, I pop out on some bleach shit. How you talking up? Hey. Good take, boy. Nigga, bro. Let's drop. Yo, you got a DO closer than that, man. Chilling your ass on nobody. Yo. Hey. Durag, Tonio, a different breed out here. It might be just be my OG slasher playmaker, but whatever it is, we a demigod. Alright, let's go, man. Ooh, you gonna leave me open? Hey, bro, big white first shot. Let's drop. Hey, that boy gonna stop. Oh, we gone. Hey. Oh, hold up. Oh. 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 Oh my. Hey. Oh. Alright, come on. I'm gone. We gone. Hey. Let's go, man. Let's go. Notice you getting tall now. Let's drop. Hey, I love when it, like I said, I love when it. Let's drop. Hey, all right, man, let's go, y'all boys. I'm about to hit the stage, man, just because some of y'all be saying I play no comp. I'm gonna show y'all what I do against quote unquote comp. All right, I got you. I'm gonna hit the stage. And it's in this gold rush too right now, so we about to get this VC up. Junk is that post lockdown. That post hook junk is ridiculous. Oh, we got elite 2 mid-range shot creator and a glass lock. All right, let's go crazy, man. Let's go. That's us. Let's get it. Let's get it. You hear me?
Yeah.
It's late. Let's go. Oh.
God.
You gotta slow it down.
That's me though. Easy on that.
Give me that. Yeah, we lost it.
We're gonna stop.
We did. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we gone. Pull up. Let's go straight drop. Let's go crazy, man. Oh my. Good boy. Well, they keep helping out. Hey, man, let's go. Easy greens. Keep on greening that, man. I'm there. Get the board. Let's go. I'm shooting horrible right now, too, man. What the hell? Oh, we gone. Lay. Little lay.
It's getting trash. It's not reaching.
Hey, just sit back. Damn, man, we had the ball and 2K do that, bro. 2K just do dumb stuff, dog. Trying to get you stuck and shit. That's off. Let's go. Good board. Needed that. Let's go. Alright, let's tee up. Oh, where you going, boy? Oh my, come on. Okay, good block. jump, boy. Good jump. I love when they jump. I love when they jump. I love when they jump. Let's drop. Hey. Come on. Oh, I already got it. I got it going now. Two more threes. Two more threes and he out of here. Let's drop. Hey. Come on, man. Let's go crazy. Hold up, hold up. No, wait. You better wait till I get behind you, bro. Little late. Little late. Good shot, boy. Hey, let's go, man. Hey, them boys is good too, man. We did our thing, boy. Turn up, man. Turn up. Let's go crazy. 25? Yes, sir. 25. Pull up.
That's off. That's early.
Good boy. Let's drop. Hey.
That nigga looking like Tuxedo. That nigga mix using the fuck out that hoe. Look at that.
Let's go. Hey, I make whites too,
all
man.
your whites,
Bro, I hit every single white, bro. That drink is really crazy. 2K be blessing me. Let's drop. Hey. Crazy, man.
What you doing for your birthday?
Shit, I don't even know, bro. Hopefully, just go turn up. Not turn up, but I don't want to do nothing. Come here, we go. Hopefully, I want to hit 300K by my birthday. On my birthday, that's going to be so lit. So,
You probably hit it. Yeah, you probably.
I'll probably go hit that junk on my birthday, knowing that.
Oh, yeah.
Because we 50K away exactly now. So, we might end up hitting that junk. Oh, we gone. Hey! Chop, bro. This jump shot too goated. I might not have to get this away, bud. Let's drop. Hey, a little crazy now. Let's drop. Bruh, I don't want to hear nobody say, I don't care, bro. I went 5 for 5 from the 3 with a slash and play, man. Come on, man. Too goated out here, man. Too goated, bro. Hey, look, y'all boys. Durag, Tonio undefeated today, man. Went at least like 15-0 today, man. You know, going crazy. I went to